Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be painting these cute little birds. If you are new to my channel, my name is Bhakti and I post acrylic painting videos and DIYs on my channel. Guys, towards the end of this video, I am going to share with you the reference photo for this painting and how I turned that reference photo into painting. So watch this video till the end. Before we start, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my videos. And now let's get started. Hi guys, so in the starting of the video I mentioned about the reference picture. So here is a reference picture for this painting, and I found this reference picture from the Pinterest, and I wanted to have a colorful background for this painting, so I made a colorful background. I transferred this image onto the canvas. I adjusted this image as per the canvas size. So if you want to know the detailed process on how to transfer the image on the canvas and how to adjust it with the canvas size, do let me know in the comment section, and I will make a separate video on this. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.